Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for joining in this session. I want to introduce myself and team. I am Nur Hayati and I work with Cyril and Romi and Erlina Cynthia Dewi. We are from University of Muhammadiyah Mataram. Today, I want to present my research with title The Combination of Pumpkin and Jackfruit Seed for Making the Tortilla. For the introduction, the pumpkin is a local food that abundant availability. The pumpkin is rich nutrients such as fiber, especially pectin, bioactive compound, beta-carotene, vitamin, and minerals. The nutritional content is quite complete and beneficial for body health. And also, the pumpkin is the cheap rate. However, the use of pumpkin as food is still limited. Several research have published several products from the pumpkin like cakes, biscuit, bread, and the pumpkin can be used as raw material for the tortilla. Apart from pumpkin, there is a potential ingredient used in making tortilla is jackfruit seeds. Jackfruit seeds are organic waste that has not been used optimally. Even though jackfruit seeds have relatively high nutritional content such as carbohydrate, protein, and mineral. According to Utomo, 2016, jackfruit seeds can also be used as business opportunities such as crackers, dodol, and tortilla. Tortilla are tipped triangular or square chip in shape with a certain thickness. Tortilla is a typical food from Mexico made come from corn. Apart corn, tortilla can be processing using two combination local food like pumpkin and jackfruit seed. Both ingredients are the result of local food which have opportunities as home industry business. The use of these two raw materials can improve product quality to be accepted by the consumer. Now, consumers tend to prefer practical and ready-to-eat snack products like tortilla. The product provides a new idea that the community can be accepted local food diversification into tortilla. The tortilla processing is relatively simple process so that it has an opportunity as home industry business. From the introduction, we can objective the research is the first, the effect of the combination of pumpkin and jackfruit seed on chemical and organoleptic properties of the tortilla, and the second, the best formulation combination between pumpkin and jackfruit seeds for making tortillas. Material and methods. The material for the research is pumpkin from plantation farmer in the East Sacra, East Lombok, and the jackfruit from the plantation of farmer in the Narmada, West Lombok. The step of the research is the first step, preparation sample. Second step, pumpkin pure and jackfruit seed flour processing. The third process, making of tortilla with various combination of pumpkin fruit and jackfruit seed flour. And the last step, analysis of chemical content of moisture, air, fiber, and the organoleptic properties like color, texture, flavor, and taste properties. The design of research is complete randomized design with a single factor, combination of pumpkin pure and jackfruit seed flour. With the five treatment, A treatment 80/20, B treatment 65 per 35 and C treatment 50-50, D treatment 33 and 65 and E treatment 80 per 20. And each of the treatment was done in triplicate. And analysis data using ANOVA, analysis of variant with 5% significant difference. The treatment that were significantly were then analyzed using HSD. And for the result and discussion, this is the effect of pumpkin and jackfruit seeds combination on moisture content. We can see that the analysis of variant at the 5% significance level show that the combination pumpkin and jackfruit seeds treatment have significant effect on tortilla moisture content. Tortilla moisture content range from 3.4 to 6.64, and the highest moisture content occur in treatment A, while the lowest moisture content occur in treatment E. In the figure 1, we can see it shows that the moisture content tortilla decrease with the decrease of the pumpkin using. That is due to the use of the material used, where the moisture content of pumpkin is higher than moisture content of jackfruit seeds. The same results were obtained from the moisture content. The ash content also significant effect combination of pumpkin and jackfruit seeds on tortilla ash content. Tortilla ash content range from 4.44 to 6.27%. The highest content occur in treatment A, while the lowest content occur as E treatment. It shows that the tortilla ash content decrease with the decrease of pumpkin using. That is due to the use of the raw material used, where the ash content of pumpkin is higher than the ash content of jackfruit seeds. The same result for the ash and moisture content. The combination of pumpkin and jackfruit seeds treatment had significant effect on tortilla crude fiber content. Tortilla crude fiber content range from 7.49% to 11.26%. The highest fiber content occur in treatment A, while the lowest fiber content occur in treatment A. The figure 3, it shows that the tortilla crude fiber content decrease with the decrease of pumpkin using. That is due to the use of the raw material used, where the fiber content of pumpkin is higher than the fiber content of jackfruit seeds. After that, the result and discussion for organoleptic properties, like the color, we can see in figure 4, the level panelist score on the color of the tortilla was highest obtained in treatment E. Treatment E, 20% pumpkin and 18% jackfruit, with the score 4.15 with like criteria, and the lowest score was obtained in treatment B. pumpkin formulation 65% and jackfruit 35%, with score 1.20 with the criteria rather dislike. The use of mixture of pumpkin and jackfruit seeds causes difference in the resulting tortilla's color, where the color degradation occurs from dark to brown-like. When the use pumpkin is increasing, it will be dark brown. On the contrary, when the use jackfruit seed is higher, it will be light brown. Pumpkin is also rich in beta-carotene, a pigment that is yellow, orange, and orange-red. The more pumpkin for making tortilla, the beta-carotene content will increase, so that the more pumpkin is causing the color to be dark. Jackfruit seeds have a white base color, so when the more jackfruit seeds are added, the tortilla will be light brown. In other words, the product produced is influenced by the primary color of the raw material. And how about the texture? The level panelist score on the texture was obtained the highest score in the treatment D. And with the score 4 with criteria light or crunchy. The lowest score obtained in treatment B with score 3.2. It's the meaning slightly crunchy criteria. This texture is influenced by the moisture content of the food. The low moisture content will increase the product's crunchy, because the more waters come out of the material, the space in the network. And according to Caffeine Linda 28, increasing the water content in product can reduce its hardness value. That is because the water present in the material causes plasticization and softening of the starch protein matrix. It's thereby changing the strength of the product. And the test score, we can see that the level of panelist score on the test of the tortilla was obtained the highest score in treatment A and B. 80 pumpkin and 20 jackfruit seed, and the lowest of the score is obtained in treatment D. 35 pumpkin and 65 jackfruit seed with criteria 2.40 with dislike criteria. That the more pumpkin used, the more unique the taste will be. Yellow pumpkin has sweet taste. And for the flavor taste based on the panelist preference level with the hedonic taste. The research result found that the panelists prefer level range 2.8 and 2.3 and 10, with the lowest with D treatment and the lowest C treatment. All of the result is not significantly different from the tortilla flavor. Both of the raw material influence a unique flavor, where the panelists prefer treatment on D, 35 pumpkin and 65 jackfruit seed. In general, the food products flavor formed by the constituent ingredients during the manufacturing process, mostly high frying, boiling, and drying temperatures, can cause a reduced flavor. One of the main disadvantages of dehydration is the loss of volatile flavors. For the conclusion, the combination of pumpkin and jackfruit seeds significantly affected the content of moisture, ash, and fiber and the score of color, taste, and texture, but didn't affect the tortilla aroma score. The best treatment based on chemical and organoleptic properties is treatment C, 50-50, with 4.5 moisture, 4.7 ash, 9.3 fiber, 3.10 color score, or brown, 3 point texture, crunchy, 2.86 flavor natural, and 3.3 taste like. This is reference for my presentation. Thank you very much for the excellent attention everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.